It's gonna blow the hair right off of Byron.
Oh, man. All right, guys, today's video is going to be a little different, filmed on my GoPro. Hope you enjoy some content of the Arrma Fireteam. This thing is an absolute beast of a flyer. Let's go. Now we got the Fireteam out here with Bradley's little Baja slash two-wheel drive. This thing's rowdy on these China Hobby batteries. See how long it'll take for me to blow a diff up in this since I got it from Byron. Nice. No problem today. She's fast. I don't think the Fireteam ever made it out here. It's just been to our other spots. I was gonna flat out across here though. Oh yeah, she's hauling booty. Right there, and then just let it fly. Okay, you landed at least. Here comes a rustler. It all went wrong. So that's a good one too right there. Hey, she actually flew pretty good. That was a good hopper right there. I like that one. Let's go aim for that one. Oh! That's like a quarter throttle, so that's a great little jump. I can probably get you. Maybe not. 3 got me too.
I haven't.
Fireteam is super fun, guys. All right, we're going down here to the canyon now. Oh, that was smooth, bro. That was a hop up. There you go. Oh, your steering link broke. Get another hop up here. I love that little hop up. Now let's see this ravine jump. Oh, oh! I thought that was trash can shot. Ready for this hop up, dude? This one's got enough power. Watch this. This thing is so smooth. I love this car. Now for the ravine shot. That's some air, bro. There you go. Thank you, dude. This one's so smooth.
I feel like those handle way better than like the crates.
Oh, they do. This Fireteam is a lot of fun.
Dude, you're making a perfect jump right there. See that?
Yeah, dude. This thing is a lot of fun. It flies so well. Uh-oh. It like rode on the wheel. Oh, this thing is a lot of fun. Hey, you got up here though. Those tires are almost big enough you could drive upside down. We're in low power mode.
Get some heat.
I mean, I've been dogging on it, so I don't know. But it lasted a full battery pack with me, boys. Maybe not Byron, but with me it did. Guys, that Fireteam was so much fun. I hope y'all enjoy that one. I'm running on China Hobby's 9500, so we'll see how long that lasts.
Only got a 6.
We'll see. I can't believe John cheated on us today and he brought a Traxxas out here when it's Arma Day, buddy. We got the Outcast here. Okay, this China Hobby wakes it up, though. Headshot, headshot. I'm loving the fire team, dude. Ow. Oh. That was a no shot from hell. But I think we're good though. She's got the power. There you go. I just don't have the flippability of yours. Oh my God. I don't know how I didn't break the fire team on that hit, but we're still good right now. Almost. There you go. A lot of fire team content lately. Oh yeah. Arma day, baby. Whoop. Yeah. You think you can get the trash can with your Notorious today?
I don't know.
We've been trying to make it in for a long time. Oh, I think you should easily make it. Comes Cameron Notorious. I'm so close, dude. Here comes John with a sledge. Okay. Okay. Oh, no shot. You're good though. Okay. Oh, that was a rough no shot too.
The way that lift's built up now, it is perfect.
Yes, it is. We have wore it down. Beautiful. She does backflip so well. That nosediving hurt. It flies really well, it just does not have any in-air control, you know? Dude, that one flies really well too.
The in-air control is nice.
Yep. I was holding the brake. Oh. Nice. Oh. Dang. Here we go. Okay. Oh, you could have had it in there, Cameron. Close. Here comes the sledgeroo. Rock! No! I saw that coming. I think you, yeah. I cringed a little bit, but I think you're good, dude.
It's a sledge. The rock's lucky.
Yeah, the rock is lucky. All right. Oh, that looks crazy. I want to slow-mo that front end. That was hilarious. What happened to you?
It's a little hot.
Oh, a little hot, eh? Well, it's out here in Australia, you know, it's like 115. All right, incoming. My favorite thing, besides trying to hit the trash can, John, is we made a little step up down here if you could see it. So where you're standing, the fire team was excellent on it yesterday. It just is a floater up to the top, man. That one shot you the opposite way. She took a noseful on that one.
Oh, I got a screw.
Oh no, GPM. Why you cutting my power?
That's the worst about those things is the M3 screw.
Yep.
Hey man, that's R-rated. You got guns hanging out your truck.
I know. YouTube's gonna demonetize me again. Woo! Sorry, Cameron. Little dusty. They'll wake you up. Womp womp. That was a flyer. That was a flyer, dude. Did it break or literally just the screw come out?
It's just a screw, I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, bent screw. We're turtling. Fire team taking it though today and yesterday. Thank you. It flies so beautifully through the air. I just don't have, I can't backflip. Unlike you can rip like quads, no problem. So close. You got it, you got it. I got you. I don't know how the fire team's taking those weird landings, but she is. This one's a booter too, bud. Oh, free shot for me. There you go. Yeah, a little front flip there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ooh.
Headshot.
Headshot, buddy. Yes, sir.
I can feel the thud when that hits the ground over here.
Okay, tree. Oh, man. Oh, man. I was trying to be cool. I caught up to you real quick.
Because I was going slow. I was trying to let it have the punch right there off the rip so I could hit a triple real fast.
I'm sorry. Screw that tree. I don't know how this would survive today. But it's been good. I ran it yesterday. Yep. We put the GPM steering links on it that I had. I bought them from orange ones from my Creighton, but they don't fit that new V6. Fire lane. Fire team. Oh yeah. That was a great time. No breakage for us.
I know.
All right, guys, if you ever wondered what chargers I use to charge my non-Traxxas batteries, I got you right here. I found my favorite charger that I've been using for 2 months before I posted this. Hope you enjoy. What's up, boys? Got this brand new X2 Pro from GT Power. Let's unbox it here and see how well this charger is. Super excited to try out one of these bigger chargers. Yeah, look at it. Looking all thick and stuff. He likes it. He just sees another box that he can play with. Yeah, here's the charger. Seems pretty nice quality. Get it plugged in and check it out. All right, guys, we got the X2 Pro all plugged in here. Now time to plug in our batteries and see what it does. All right, guys, now we got our batteries all plugged in here. We want balance.
5.2 amps.
5.2 amp, 3S LiPo.
She's a charging. Look at the little lights.
Now we're gonna get over here to the next channel. Since it's got 2 channels, we're gonna go through the same process here. Balance, hold it down, confirm.
Just like that.
So we got both channels here cooking up. Woo, they're working out perfectly. Along with our new chargers, GT Power sent us a blower, a jet fan too. So we're gonna be trying that out today. It's gonna blow the hair right off of Byron.
I really do like how it says play with RC car outdoor with this powerful wind fan.
Yeah, and it literally has RCs on here. So it's
See that RC burning?
Yep.
No, it's right there.
It has RC car on here, so it's literally 4 of them. That's sweet. Are you ready, Zara?
Zara.
Oh,
She runs off.
a super swaft unboxing.
Super soft unboxing, you know. Not an Arma. You can't unbox it the way that you want to.
True.
Arma, you know, you just look at her on the brakes. Look at the dog.
I know. What'd you get today? What did you get today, honey? Did you get a... Oh, you got a blue blower.
So what she really got is a big old box of chewy.
It's very ergonomical. Hey, 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 hey! Hey, blowing on the Life of Ballen stickers around. What are you doing? Oh, it blew its own. Oh, my hair! It even has little blowers.
Oh, we need to clean our work table real quick.
Yeah, clean that off.
We need to clean the work table.
Nice. Oh, now there's sand everywhere.
Gotta clean the work table off, guys.
Oh, I can feel it. All right, guys, and along with our other GT Power products, we also got the new V6 Pro. This is a brand new charger that they just developed. I cannot wait to see how well this charger is. Byron, would you mind doing the unboxing for us? This is actually Byron's charger. He's gonna be whipping it. He really wanted to try this one out. No, that's actually pretty cool though.
That is pretty good.
That's one of the better stickers I've seen from these RC brands.
Stand still, Brett.
No. Ah! Rip it out.
About to.
All right, let's get this plugged up and see how well it does.
Oh.
Oh, this thing's fancy. Look at all that. Look at all this. It's got a little dial on it. So we only run IC5s, EC5, IC5s, whatever you want to call it. So we got to put our adapters on here.
I need to charge my phone. Will you move your hand?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Even comes with the phone charger on top, guys. This might be a little revolutionary. I don't know about the others that people be doing. All right, we got those plugged in here.
They're not touchscreen.
It's not. Oh, my God. It has everything.
Wait, what does it go up to?
Dude, they go up to like 16.
Oh my God, hold on.
Yeah, these chargers supposedly go up to like 16 amp. There we go.
Oh, it's green.
Okay, so now you go over to switch the channel and you just got to repeat the process. They're working pretty well. Thank you, GT Power. These are working pretty swimmingly. And you can just change back over. Oh, you can look at both of them at the same time. So we both got us some GT chargers here, some GT Power charger. We'll put a bunch of batteries through them and we'll let you guys know how they work. Thank you, GT Power. Honestly, guys, I'm loving this X2 Pro from GT Power. This thing is amazing. I mean, I'm charging a 6S battery and a 4S here, and it's so much faster than my other ones. These are brand new batteries as well. GT Power also sent us an 8S battery capacitor meter. We're gonna be able to test our batteries, see what cells are dying. Oh God. Uh-oh. Just got a plugger in there and it yells at you.
95%.
Nice.
4.15, 4.14. You need to balance that, son.
Yeah. I ain't charged that battery in a while.
You can do a servo test mode. You can test the servo.
Yeah.
Dope.
That's pretty cool, guys. I think everybody should get one of those.
Okay.
Well, we'll have a link in the description for everybody to read about this stuff.
Because when I have, it just, you plug it in and it yells at you while it's telling you the cell count. It's the old Venom little red one. Everybody knows that one.
Oh, yeah. Well, this is a brand new one.
Yep.